Hi everyone, The Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to add the favorite app bar on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your lock screen, you can only add these two apps, one on the bottom left and one on the bottom right. However, now you can add an app bar where you can basically select more apps and you can open up more apps from your lock screen. So let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and open up the Galaxy Store, search for Galaxy Store. So this is something similar to Google Play Store. Here you need to go ahead and search for this app called Good Lock. Go ahead and open the app. In the app, go ahead and open up Lockstar. Now from here, tap on Lockstar. And now go ahead and tap on Favorite Apps. Go ahead and turn this feature on. And now this is the app bar which we'll be going to use. You can go ahead and have it in horizontal mode or in vertical mode. So we'll go ahead and choose the vertical. You go ahead and tap on the favorite app and you can go ahead and delete and add apps to your favorite bar. Once you're happy, tap done. And now when you lock your screen and unlock it, you'll see this app bar here. Tap on it and you can go ahead and use it. If you want to move it somewhere else, you can go ahead and customize it by holding it on. Go ahead, hold this app bar and go ahead and move it wherever you like. Tap done. And now this is the app bar. You can go ahead and open any apps. It'll ask you for your authentication and it'll open up the app. So there you go guys, that is how to add the favorite app bar to your Samsung S25 Ultra lock screen. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.